Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. In this short video, you'll see a highlight from our live webinar recorded this summer featuring an AI agent in action. Looks like we have a PO that we received from a regional medical center. So why don't we go ahead and process that? We're going to first validate this PO. So why don't we go ahead and pull up the PO so we can take a look at it. We're going to upload it as a pricing analyst to really be able to have to take that purchase order and enter in all that information, basically going back and forth between the PO and across multiple screens and records and really trying to confirm. And as we go here, we see that we have an inaccurate pricing. Now, that's great news because then the agent was able to really identify that the pricing was incorrect in this purchase order. But now from an overall perspective, we can actually automate through an agent more of the purchase order validation and follow-up process with a billing contact. But for the sake of this demo, we are going to just do a slightly more manual way. So after validation, let's go and reach out to the billing contact and get the new updated purchase order. And let's go ahead and upload the new purchase order that we received. We'll do the same prompt. I want to validate a PO. And now we can see that the pricing is accurate. So there we have it. So that's nice. And then now what we're going to do is now that we have the validated PO, I'm going to have our agent draft an order on my behalf. So yes, please, let's go ahead and create the order. And as we bring up the screen, you'll now see that we do have an order and draft status. So let's go ahead and look at that in a little bit more detail. And you can see there, we have all the products in place. And simply, I just need to verify, and let's go ahead and activate the order. Order complete. Well, that wraps up our highlighted AI demo. Now you can increase team member productivity with AI that is efficient, accurate, and hassle-free. Try it today with N28 Technologies. And thanks for watching.